I think you'll see at the end of this video how much Rens has come on with his skiing after just 9 days.
This group I'm with today is very fast, way faster than me. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, you can just tell by the way the young ones are acting, you know, they're very fit and very daredevilish. Yep, they're away, leaving me behind. Oh, I hope I don't get lost. These snowboarders, my God, coming at you from all angles. Oh, they're well fast. Look at them waiting for me down the bottom. Right. They're advanced skiers. Whew.
All the way down there, on the other side, take you to the Volkl Yumi.
Yep, I shan't be coming down there. Look at those skiers there. God. Don't know if you can see them on the head cam actually. Yep, see, way more advanced than me, I wouldn't do that. T-bar. I haven't done a T-bar for many a year. Whoa! Huh? Whoa! Do you know, I haven't done one of these for a long, long time.
Yeah? Well, that takes a little bit.
Yeah. Well, thank you for a lovely tour.
And people, you know, like, you know, I've mountain bike a lot. My son used to be one of the top Canadian downhill mountain bike racers.
Yeah.
So, like, I know it really well.
Yeah.
But people come here and they think they can go down these
Whoa!
roads.
Whoa! Thank you. I was nearly a goner.
Black one braces.
Oh no, that's not for me.
You pop the shoes off and you go up that hill. No.
This is steep. Just gonna go steady here because I'm not that good at moguls. Oh, yes. Oh, found that quite difficult. Yeah, that was quite steep for me. That because of the moguls, not because.
I don't think I would have done that myself.
Oh, good. Whoa. Right. Whoa. Whoa. Yep, yep. That'll do it every time hitting the mogul. well, it's been very windy today, so there are very few lifts open. But I'm going to ski with Rens today and see how he's getting on.
This is the first time we've skied together.
We've had a little dusting of powder, so that's nice. Makes turning easier. Not too icy. Doing these nice parallel skiing. Come a long way, really. We've just had in total 10 lessons, so that's 10 days skiing in a lifetime. So he's doing really, really well. Now, here. Look out, idiot! Bloody people just going bloody mental on a blooming beginner's slope. The trouble is, with the lifts not many lifts being operating, you get the fast skiers coming into the beginners, and some of them, I don't think they're in control, to be honest, even though they're going fast. I don't think they're in control. This is my 8th day skiing today, and a nice bright morning today. I've been talked into into trying some demo skis. These are the Blizzard Black Pearl 88, and I tell you what, they're better than mine. I've had mine for about 10 years now, so I think I might be tempted into buying some new ones. Yep. Yeah. So today's my 9th day skiing, and I'm on a pair of demo skis. It's the Rossignol Experience 84. Seems to be going quite nicely, just come down this blue run here on Heavenly. Yeah, very pretty, isn't it? Not lovely. Coming down there, way beyond my skill level now, getting down those. That's the peak-to-peak cable car. Now I'm just going to try these Volkl Yumi that I tried a couple of days back. So I really like these as well as the other ones, so I'm just going to see which is the best. I think I might just try a little jump in these over this. Just a little green jump, nothing big. So, I might just fall on this one, but we're going to give it a go. Here we go. Whoa! Well, made it.
Rens and I are taking a glass-bottomed peak-to-peak cable car today.
Okay, and then you take a left?
Yeah, then you take a left down the continent. Okay, so that's
It goes from Easy up, down it?
count. Well, it doesn't come all the way down.
Yeah.
Countdown.
Count down. Yeah, never even seen that one.
What's that down there? It's
That's
interesting. So
the river that has the dam on it.
That base too, is it?
yeah, it's a two-part view of that. Yeah. It's just.
Lots of trees.
I wonder what the pitch would be like.
Yes, it was a steeper bit, wasn't it? But you just seemed to be right in control there. Yeah, good. Good. Yes.
I think Rens has done really well. He's looking very good with his parallel skiing. That's the end of our skiing holiday in Canada. Now all we have to do is get home and pick the boys up. Thanks for watching. TTFN.